Hi and welcome students. In this Microsoft Word 2016 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a manual page break. Let's get started. So page breaks on Word documents depend on your document formatting. You can see that I have a Word document here that has multiple pages, and you can see each page number in the bottom right of the corner of the page. Alright, so I want to show you how to insert in a manual page break, and a page break happens wherever the text or whenever the text gets to the bottom of the page, but sometimes you'll want to insert in a page break manually. And the way that we do that is first we got to figure out where we want our page break to occur. Whenever you're doing this, I recommend turning on your formatting marks, and you can find those in your Home tab, Paragraph group, and right here you'll see the formatting mark symbol. And this will show your paragraph markers and other hidden formatting symbols like spaces and tabs, things like that. It also shows you where your page breaks occur. So if I click this to turn it on, you'll then see all of the document formatting. From there, I'm going to show you how to insert a manual page break. So to do that, all you have to do is go right before the word that you want to insert the page break on, and you can see that as I look through my building association rules and regulations here, I have step 1 or process 1, process 2, and then 3 breaks across the page. If I wanted to keep all of 3 together, I would click right before the 3 right here, and you guys can see that my cursor is now blinking right before the 3. And then I go to the Layout tab. On the Layout tab, you're going to see the Page Setup group along the left side. And then just to the top right of that group, you're going to see Breaks. Okay, and you'll just click right here on on Breaks. And within Breaks, you have two sections. You have Page Breaks right here, and then you also have Section Breaks. I'm going to show you this one right here, which is Page Breaks. And this right here, it says mark the point at which the one page ends and the next page begins. That's what we did when we clicked right here before the 3. I click on Breaks, I click Page, and you'll now see that the number 3 moves down to the next page, and also this page break line shows up right here. Now this is really useful because if I go to type beyond this, and let's say that I enter in section 2.5, notice that when I press enter, or even when I continue to press enter, it does not move the text on the next page up or down. That's because the page break is here, and it knows that whenever I type in front of that page break, not to reformat the text below. So a page break is a lot more useful than, say, just pressing enter like this to go down, because then as you type up here and you type all your words and press enter, notice that the formatting gets adjusted below. So again, it's very useful to do the page break instead. And so one more time, to insert the page break, you just go right before wherever you want the page break to occur, go to the Layout tab, Page Setup Group, Breaks, and you choose Page, and then that will show up right here. To turn off your formatting marks at the end, when you're done with your formatting, just go to the Home tab, Paragraph Group, and click right there to turn them off. And now you'll see that you cannot actually see the page break text there anymore. However, you do know it's there because of the formatting marks. So hopefully this video has taught you a little bit more about how to insert page breaks onto your Word documents. If the video has been helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of your day.